The appearance and developing ubiquity of digital forms of money are presently shaking the current monetary framework. Financial backers and dealers from varying backgrounds are presently getting increasingly more inspired by digital forms of money. This is reasonable given the intensified returns one can appreciate with cryptos. At present, more than 1,000 sorts of digital currencies are accessible on the lookout. Most cryptos are organized to fill various needs and give brokers and financial backers a superior crypto exchanging experience. One such notable cryptographic money is the Swipe token. Swipe is the local badge of the Swipe convention sent off in 2019. The convention was the brainchild of Joselito Lizarrando, who is a notable master in the tech fire-up area. The goal behind the send-off of this convention was to take on the current crypto card area and give clients a superior other option. Swipe Convention Outline. The Swipe Convention is an application programming connection point generally known as programming interface. The programming interface permits dealers and financial backers to work with consistent installment on their crypto cards. The programming interface appeared in 2019, and it didn't take some time before it turned out to be exceptionally famous in the crypto circle. The next year, in June 2020, Binance took awareness of this turn of events and gained the Swipe Programming Interface Convention. There have been extremely huge changes in Swipe's utility as the programming interface changed from a front-end crypto card proposing to a programming interface used to help Binance's crypto card. This offering was before long delivered in the UK and EU by July 2020. Swipe has extended its activities, offering comparable back-end administrations to another trade called FTX. The organization has since procured an overflowing standing for presenting back-end administrations to various decentralized trades. However, that has never been all conceivable without the Swipe token supporting every one of the tasks utilizing the ERC20 organization. Indeed, even the local cash went through a lot of change after Binance obtained the convention. At first, the token must be organized for brokers to get to the Swipe MasterCard. In any case, things have changed now, and the token is fundamentally used to help the elements of Swipe programming interface. Fundamentally, the symbolic capabilities as a method of exchanges inside the organization for paying things, for example, exchange expenses. Other than that, there are different functionalities of the token, yet erring on that in the accompanying segment. Key worth of SXP token. As time passes, the quantity of digital forms of money in crypto trades is expanding at a consistent rate. Thus, it turns out to be somewhat trying for dealers and financial backers to track down the right symbolic that guarantees a decent return. One simple method for deciding a symbolic's future execution and likely return potential is by examining its current essential worth. Swipe token at present yields a market valuation of 43 cents, which is probably going to increment toward the finish of August 2022. As per CoinCodex, the value unpredictability of Swipe token as of now remains at 6.07%, which is great for advancing positive feeling among brokers and financial backers on the lookout. Regardless, presently how about we look at certain ways the Swipe token yields crucial worth. Consistent exchanging experience. The previously mentioned market worth of a Swipe token is the ongoing cost for a solitary Swipe token. This implies one needs to pay 43 cents to claim one Swipe token. One can then exchange this token-changed crypto trades and intensify their profits with insignificant problem. Mode of trade. Each crypto convention needs some sort of mode of trade to keep the organization running. The equivalent goes for the Swipe convention, which uses its local cash, Swipe token, as a mode of trade on the organization. This implies clients can utilize their Swipe token possessions to pay for things like exchange expenses, and that's just the beginning. Better administration. The other incredible benefit of holding Swipe tokens is it gives you the option to have a say on Swipe's future. However long you hold a specific measure of Swipe tokens, you can be a piece of the dynamic body of the Swipe convention. This enables you to settle on choices that will shape the fate of the Swipe convention. With a superior comprehension of the crucial worth of the Swipe token, the time has come to jump further. The accompanying segment will walk you through the presentation of the Swipe token as of recently. This will be basic to provide you with the right thought of what you anticipate from Swipe token before long. SXP token value figures. With so many digital currencies accessible on the lookout, picking the right one can be a staggering encounter for anybody. Other than that, the unstable idea of the crypto market doesn't make things any simpler. One simple method for exploring through this intricacy is by looking at the estimates made by specialists. 2022 has not been an extraordinary year for the crypto market, which is no mysterious today. Obviously, this unfavorably impacted Swipe's token worth, bringing about a critical fall in its reasonable worth. However, fortunately the Swipe token gives extraordinary indications of recuperation, so things will probably improve soon. We should look at the specialized and essential examination of the Swipe token. SXP token value expectations. Swipe token value expectation for 2022. Possible return on initial capital investment, 22%. Swipe token started 2022 with a slight spike, taking the symbolic's worth to $2.31 toward the beginning of January 2022. However, the convention before long went with the same pattern, taking the symbolic's worth to $1.13 toward January's end. The worth came to underneath the $1 mark by May 2022, finishing at 93 cents on the 6th of May 2022. The downtrend went on until the symbolic's worth came to 43 cents by the beginning of August 2022. The symbolic's market cap likewise expanded by 1.82% in August, taking the revived figure to $214,943,889. The symbolic gives numerous indications of recuperation now. As per specialists from Trading Beast, the swipe token costs will go up toward the finish of 2022, with forecasts recommending the costs will reach 55 cents. In any case, not every person is hopeful about swipe token this year, as specialists from priceprediction.net are foreseeing a further ruin, taking the cost to 11 cents. Specialists from Wallet Investor are of a comparative assessment, proposing the costs will go down to 33 cents toward the finish of 2022. Swipe token value expectation for 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 8%. Specialists from Trading Beast are as yet hopeful about swipe token's exhibition in 2023. Their conjectures propose the costs will go up, coming to 58 cents toward the finish of 2023. Indeed, even specialists from priceprediction.net are exceptionally hopeful about the symbolic's presentation, with their gauges referring to a cost of 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Going against this large number of expectations are specialists from Wallet Investor, as they foresee a further destruction to take the cost to 8 cents by December 2023. Swipe token value expectation for 2024. Possible return for capital invested, half. Trading Beast specialists anticipate the costs to reach 76 cents toward the finish of 2024. Indeed, even specialists from priceprediction.net appear to be pretty much hopeful about the symbolic's costs, recommending it will be somewhere near 60 cents toward the finish of 2024. Swipe token value expectation for 2025. Likely return for capital invested, 65%. Indeed, even 2025 will probably be an extraordinary year for merchants and financial backers holding the swipe token. Specialists from Trading Beast are foreseeing an increment to take the symbolic's worth to 54 cents by 2025. Essentially, specialists from priceprediction.net are of a likewise hopeful view, with their forecasts demonstrating an increment to take costs to 89 cents. Swipe token value expectation for 2030. Likely return for capital invested, 85%. Token specialists have two unique perspectives in regards to the drawn-out value expectation of swipe. From one viewpoint, specialists from priceprediction.net recommend a destruction is coming, which will take the symbolic's worth to 3 cents continuously zen. Then again, specialists from Trading Beast